Yes, Alia and Ojasvi, go on.
Okay, sir. So, hello
Hi,
everybody.
Ajasvi.
My name is Sojasvi, and I am from Mumbai. I am 11 years old. I study in class 6, and I am an honor student of Divya English Academy. Nice to meet you, all my viewers, and nice to meet you, sir.
Hello everyone. My name is Alia Tanvir. I'm from India, but I'm living in France. I'm 12 years old. I study in 6th grade class, and my school name is Ekbal International Lal Opita. Nice to meet you, my all friends from different states and countries. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so hi Alia.
Hi, Ajasvi.
How are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm in cloud 9. Okay, so now can I ask you some questions on the topic childhood?
Yes, you can ask me.
Okay, so firstly, tell me your best childhood memory that you remember till yet.
There are many best memories I have remembered till now, and like all are my favorite, and I can't choose it.
Okay, now tell me which is the means as you said now that you have very so many memories that you really very like. So now tell me one of the memories.
Like, number one, the most favorite one is it was my birthday, and I was 3 or 4 years old, and that time we were living in Jamshedpur, and it was my birthday, and we went to a park. It was really big and big. There were many activities, and I did with my sister. She was really small, and I think I was 4 years old, and she was really small, but we both did together because it was really fun, and my dad also make videos. I watched the videos till now. I repeat it again because it is really fun to watch it again, our childhood videos, photos and memories. And I was really cute, like I was just like a balloon, and it was really funny. And on my birthday, we also watch, like we cut cake and watch my favorite cartoon or TV shows. I don't know, and I did really fun.
Okay, it was a really very lovely memory from your side. That you also mentioned that you were really cute like a balloon. Okay, so I'll move to my next question. Which is the worst which you don't like that much?
Can you repeat again because I did not heard?
Yeah, my question goes for you is that which memory is the worst memory that you remember till yet? Means you don't like that memory that you always think that why it happened with me. So you have to describe your memory like this.
Okay, so like that time we were in Pune, and I think I was 6 or 7 years old, and I had a pencil box. It was in pink color. I just love it, but my sister did not brought it. It was just like in my village, and we get it as a gift. So she forgot to bring it, but I brought it mine, and she wants mine, and we both were fighting and fighting, screaming for that. Then my mom come and broke it and throw it in the bin. No one will get it. So I was just crying for that.
You know, the same situation happened with me. Actually, the situation was that it was the pandemic, and I was not so big. I was also like 7 to 8 years old. I was in Raipur, and that time we got a compost box, lock compost box, which was means which we can lock. We had our own password of it, that was really very lovely compass box that, and I only had that one compass box. Instead of that, I did not have any of the like compass box, fancy compass box. Only that was the fancy one. So that time, what happened was that I by mistake, means by mistake, my brother's compass box was fall on the ground by me, and because of that, my brother also threw my compass box. And after that, my compass box broke down, and after that we were quarreling for the compass box, which was nice. Then my mother came. She also did the same what your mother did. She broke both of the compass boxes and she threw it in the dustbin. And that day I was really very sad, and I was crying. Even my brother, because that was really very lovely compass box for us. And at that time, my mother promised me to bought me. What was it? Yes, a smartwatch. To bought me a smartwatch, and for on that day, I was in my maternal grandparents' house. So that compass box was gifted by them. So they were also really very angry that why means why my brother, my mother broke it. So she was really my she promised me and my brother to buy a new one for me, and she also bought.
You know, like when my mom broke it and threw it in the dustbin, and the next day, my father bought me just like you a law compass box, but the color was different. Mine and my sister, but I love the pink one. I don't like the purple one. But my sister take it and give it to me her, and I just don't want it. I was just fighting, and I realized that what happened yesterday, so I just took purple one because I don't want to break it again. Just happened because of our sibling.
Okay, so because of that, from that time, I never quarrel for the things which I do and which are really touched to my heart. From that time, I did never really quarrel for any of the things. Like if he asks me for the chocolate, I give him because I don't want to lose my chocolate. Okay, now I will move to my next question. Okay, so my next question goes for you is, now tell me, how was your well, have you ever seen your parents' photos before you were born, and have you seen the photos when you were born like this?
I have seen before I was born my mother's and father's photo. They were really like it was really old photo, and I was just thinking why they are both looking so young and this and that, because in the old like 19th century it was not, the pictures are really clear.
Yeah,
Like
you are
that
right.
time that, yeah, and after that, when I was born, I was really pink, and I was thinking what happened with me that time, and I was laughing. Then I also watched my sister's videos and photos when she was born.
Okay, so nice to meet you. Now you can ask me some questions on the same topic.
Okay, so like, which is your the funniest childhood memory?
Okay, so now I will tell my funniest childhood memory. It is that once it happened that once when my father declared that we have to go to school, I was just 3 years old. As basically 3 years old children start going to school, and when my father declared that I have to go to school, at that time I really used to just cry. Instead of crying, I never used to do anything. I only used to cry that I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. So one of the videos, as a memory, my father has recorded that time I was not even awake from my sleep, and I was crying for that I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. And in this time, I really burst with laughter by seeing that memory. And you even know my brother, he used to wear my all the pink frocks, my all the pink gowns, which my mother has bought for me, and the one of the gown which was really very my favorite gown. He he I can't describe him why at that time. Many photos are there. It is my favorite gown, and he used to wear for 4 to 5 times, and after he wears, I I used to wear after him. So I used to wear his worn out gown, though it is mine. And he also, one more thing I am telling that happened with me, like compost box. I was really very small, and my mother bought me some shorts, like jeans shorts. My brother took them also, and he every day used to cry to wear that. And because of him, my mother tore those shorts, and she threw it in the dustbin, because in I only had two shorts, and one of them I used to wear, and one he, though both of them were mine. But he used to cry for them each and every day. Even you will not believe that he has also worn my ghagra choli, which my mother purchased me.
That happens with me. Like we were in Pune, and as I told you that I was 5, 6, 7. I don't know. So it was my school trip swimming pool. Like we were going to swimming pool like every Friday. So my dad brought me swimming costume and all the glasses, cap, and all others. So that time I had to wear it, but my sister, like when he brought for me, I just have to try it. But my sister took it, and after that, she wear it all the things, and I have photo till now, and it is really and really funny. She was crying for wearing every day and every day, but my mom explained her that it's your sister's, you can't wear it, she have to take to her swimming pool. And she was crying, but I was happy because she did not throw in the dustbin.
Okay, but in my case, my mother threw it in the dustbin. Okay, now move on to your next
Sometimes,
question.
sometimes if we have just one thing, so if it is like we were fighting to take it, so our mothers have to just choose one option to throw somewhere or to
Yeah, you are
destroy it.
absolutely right. Yeah, you are absolutely right. Okay, now move on to your next question.
Okay. What is your like mostly crying childhood? Like you were crying something you don't want to do it or something. Like you were really, really crying.
Okay, so as I told you, I was really very crying for not going to the school. So that was only the memory for that I cried. Instead, I was really very happy for each and everything.
That's nice. Do you have any toy from your childhood and your sibling has broke it?
Okay, so I need to remember. Yeah, I have a kitchen set which was gifted by my father to me on my birthday. I was at that time I was 5 years old, and at that time also my brother used to take my kitchen set, and he used to play with his friends. Actually, we were having many friends in our colony, so he used to play that with my colony friends. He was never allowing me to play that. So this is the thing he did.
One thing also happened with me. Like 1 month, 2 months before I went to India this year, and we went to India. There were wedding, so my mom bought me a gown, but it was really different from me and my sister. And my sister crying for it, and she was crying to take mine one because mine was really good, but her was really good, but she wants mine and mine. But we can't do anything.
Yeah, as you are elder, so it is nice for you that you don't need to share your things because your clothes come in your size and her clothes come in her size. But in
Yeah.
my case, my brother and me both are twins, so we can share our clothes. This is
Oh,
also
so you are
advantage. Okay, this is also advantage. I will tell why. Because right now I really like his shorts, and my mother also brings it for me. But I really like the shorts she brings for him. So I always get a chance to wear, and the T-shirt which I'm wearing right now is also his.
that's really good advantages of twins, that you can wear the the clothes or the things. But sometimes it is disadvantages if we like something. If we are two girls twins, so we have to share the clothes if she want. But me and my sister are not twins, so the size is different, so she can't wear it.
So there are
Okay.
disadvantages and advantages too. Okay, so nice to meet you. If you have any questions, you can right now also ask me.
No, I don't have any question. Nice to meet you too. It was really, really, really good conversation for me.
And really, really, really very memorable conversation for me too.